The title of this video is Cockroach Infestation is No More in Our House. In this video, we're going to completely eradicate cockroaches from our home. 98 to 99% of the time, cockroaches can be completely eradicated from a home, and we can prevent them from coming back. There's a large variety of large cockroaches and small cockroaches, and they can completely destroy everything. In this video, I'm going to tell you the scientific techniques to do this. So let us begin. We wake up from a night's sleep. After waking up, we want to drink water, so we come to the kitchen. We turn on the light and drink water. If you open the cupboard after drinking, you will see a cockroach running inside the cupboard. A cockroach is also running on the floor. You must have seen that even if you wake up to go to the toilet at night and turn on the bathroom light, cockroaches run around in the bathroom. Do you know the reason for this? Cockroaches come out to eat at night. That means cockroaches need three things: food, water, and a place to hide. There is no doubt that your house is a five-star hotel for every cockroach, whether you like it or not. It has a place to hide, food to eat, and water to drink. So, cockroaches come out at night. They eat food behind the gas stove, behind the kitchen cupboard, and they travel up the pipes. They drink any water that may be available. They are very active at night like this. Now, be happy if you see a cockroach only at night. But if a cockroach comes out during the day, you should be concerned. Do you know why? If cockroaches come out only at night, it means there are cockroaches in the house, but their population is manageable. However, if they come out during the day, it means the cockroach population in the house is overcrowded. Think of it this way. If you have 4 people in a house, everything will be managed comfortably. But what if you have 100 people in that same house? They will have to come out more often. So, if you saw a cockroach at home during the day, it means there is a serious problem. A cockroach lays a lot of eggs, which means there are a lot of cockroaches inside. That is why you can see them outside during the day. So, there are 2 scientific aspects to cockroach control. When there is a small infestation, it can be handled manually. When there are too many cockroaches, a slightly different technique may be needed. I'm going to explain both methods to you in a simple way. Now, let me explain something about gaps and spaces. If I have to pass through a gap, I can only go through if the gap is wide enough for my body. But let me tell you something interesting about cockroaches. Look at this. I have a 1 rupee coin in my hand. Even a gap as thin as the width of this single coin is enough. A cockroach can fit inside a gap that thin. This is because the cockroach body has a very specific ability. It is called thigmotaxis. This means that both sides of the cockroach's body have a tactile sense of touch. When both sides of its body are touching a surface, it feels comfortable. That is why cockroaches prefer to hide in very thin, narrow spaces. When a cockroach goes into such a tight space, its body automatically compresses like flattening a chapati, and it squeezes inside. That is why, when you open the cupboard, it is hiding somewhere inside. It hides in the pipes, in the cracks, and in places that humans cannot even see. Scientists have discovered that this natural thigmotactic sensation is the reason cockroaches can survive in these hidden spaces. One more thing you should know. There's also a risk that cockroaches can spread diseases. If you have eaten at a hotel and you're getting diarrhea, the main reason could be cockroaches. Cockroaches go to places where people do not like to go, such as food waste and garbage areas. Cockroaches found mainly in hospitals can transmit diseases. 80% of the disease-transmitting organisms in hospitals are transmitted by cockroaches. There is research evidence that cockroaches can transfer germs from one food to another. So, if you see a cockroach in a hospital, you should be careful about the food served there. Similarly, if you see cockroaches in a hotel, avoid eating in that hotel. When we have these types of cockroaches in our house, there's a risk of spreading disease. The cockroach is the only organism that can transmit 43 types of germs. A total of 14 germs are capable of transmitting disease, causing germs to humans. 7 are bacterial germs, and 7 are amoeba-like germs, which can be called protozoa. More importantly, children often come home with allergy and asthma problems. You must have seen breathing trouble in children quite often. What many people do not know is that cockroaches in the house can cause allergies in children. Many people also do not know that this allergy can occur in adults as well. So, cockroaches are a serious concern, and we need to take action. Let us now get into the main content of the video. How can we control cockroaches scientifically? There is research on this topic as well. Basically, as I mentioned, if there is a large infestation, there is one method, and if there is a small infestation, there's another method. The first thing we need to do in cockroach control is to destroy the cockroaches that are already in the house. There may be eggs, large cockroaches, and small cockroaches inside. We need to destroy their nest and their habitat. Now, there is a problem after destruction. Anything that destroys cockroaches will not necessarily prevent them from coming back. We can control them to some extent, but we also need to prevent them from returning. By following two methods together, we can get rid of cockroaches permanently. The first method. Scientifically, 95% of cockroaches will eat this substance, so the chances of them surviving are very slim. We need to use this one chemical completely within 7 to 10 days. The cockroach eats it and dies. What is this substance? It is boric acid powder. You may have seen boric acid powder. It looks similar to the powder used on a carom board. Boric acid powder has the #1 research evidence for killing cockroaches. As far as boric acid powder is concerned, you should sprinkle this powder in such a way that it is barely visible to the naked eye. Sprinkle it inside the cupboard, in the cracks, behind the stove, behind the dishwasher, and under the racks where you keep plates. You can also lightly sprinkle some sugar along with it to attract the cockroaches. However, one concern is that sprinkling sugar may also attract ants. But cockroaches are a bigger problem than ants, so do not worry about that. Once the cockroach eats the boric acid powder, it will surely die within 7 to 10 days, and all the cockroaches are likely to die out. One of the biggest problems with using boric acid powder is moisture. Boric acid will not work if there is moisture. So, you cannot use it in a wet bathroom. That is the limitation of boric acid powder. But if it works, know that boric acid powder is the best option. Sprinkle it everywhere, but keep it away from children and avoid contact with their eyes. The second substance we can use to kill cockroaches is diatomaceous earth. If the cockroach eats diatomaceous earth, it cannot survive. Little by little, they will all die. However, the problem with diatomaceous earth is also the same. It will not work in damp places. The third substance we use to control cockroaches is baking soda. Baking soda has some properties similar to boric acid, but it does not kill cockroaches as effectively. Baking soda is very effective in laboratory conditions. However, in real-world use, boric acid is #1. Baking soda still gives some level of control. The fourth method is to use soapy water. If you spray soapy water on a cockroach, it cannot breathe, as the soap blocks its breathing passages, and it will die. The advantage of soapy water is that it can be used in damp places as well. So, we can use any one of these methods. If there are only a few cockroaches in the house, all these methods will work well. But next to killing them, we also need to prevent them from coming back. Neem leaves, basil, cloves, camphor, and turmeric all have properties that can work against cockroaches, especially camphor. Even if you place camphor near the cockroaches' hiding spots, it will act as a repellent, and cockroaches will not survive in that area. You can keep camphor as it is or place it as a solid block. It also acts as a repellent, as cockroaches will not come near it because of its smell. However, camphor evaporates within 7 to 10 days, so you will have to replace it regularly. One potential drawback is that camphor has a strong smell, but camphor is one of the few home remedies that actually works as a repellent. Now, let me tell you about a homemade spray using neem or basil that you can use after killing the cockroaches to prevent them from coming back. But the spray is not the only thing. There's a third important factor as well, which I will explain at the end. Now, the most important part of the video begins. As I mentioned, if you see a cockroach during the day, it is a sign of a serious infestation. In such cases, the best option is to call pest control or use a cockroach gel. Pest control professionals will come and spray the necessary chemicals. However, we can also buy these medicines ourselves. There are many brands available in the market. Some of these medicines contain a chemical called fipronil. If the medicine contains fipronil, it will be applied as a gel. You only need to put 1 drop of this gel in the place where cockroaches usually come. It can be placed inside the cupboard or in the bathroom area. All you have to do is place a drop at the spot where cockroaches are seen. What happens after you place this gel drop is that cockroaches are attracted to it because it contains a small amount of sugar or something similar to food. They come and eat it. After eating the gel, the cockroach develops diarrhea and begins to discharge waste. Another living cockroach then eats this waste. This is called a secondary kill. In the primary kill, the cockroach eats the gel and dies. But after that, other cockroaches die by eating the waste of the dead cockroach. This chain continues, and the excrement keeps attracting more cockroaches until all the remaining cockroaches die. Do this at night before you go to sleep. Place the gel at every spot where cockroaches are seen, at a distance of 2 to 3 feet apart. You will only need about 30 grams in total. If you place it at every spot and look the next morning, you will see many dead cockroaches. But that is not the end. Do not remove them immediately. Look again the day after and the day after that. All the remaining cockroaches will be dead by then. This is the #1 gel method. There are many companies in the market that offer cockroach gel. The medicine may contain fipronil. You need to check the label carefully before buying, as there is a possibility that you may be misled. Some products may claim to be herbal cockroach gel, but they may not contain any effective chemical. There are some proven chemicals like fipronil and hydromethanol. Some products just contain gel without these chemicals. They market themselves as herbal home care products, but they do not actually attract or kill cockroaches effectively. The #1 gel I can recommend is from a company called Gomax. It comes in a 30-gram pack. Its price is quite high, but I have personally used it. I started using it almost 5 years ago, and since then, we have not had any cockroach problems in our house. The main reason is that after applying it, nothing else was done to prevent cockroaches from coming back. I did not spray anything else. I just used this chemical, and after that, it is important to keep the house clean. Before going to sleep at night, make sure the kitchen sink is clean and there is no food left out. All plates should be washed. Clean around the gas stove and oven properly. Do not leave any food out because cockroaches come at night and eat it. So, we have to clean the kitchen perfectly before going to sleep. Similarly, do not let water stagnate in the bathroom. There should be no standing water. Even after you have finished taking a bath, put the exhaust fan on for 10 to 15 minutes to let the moisture dry out. We can also put insulation tape on the pipes where condensation forms so that the area does not become damp. In the same way, make sure water does not stagnate anywhere. If there is a dirty bathroom drain, cockroaches will come at night to eat the hair and waste in it. So, keep the bathroom drain perfectly clean without any waste. Clean the bathroom weekly. A kitchen where you can prepare daily meals, a dining room where you can eat, and keeping everything clean will ensure that cockroaches do not come back. This is my humble request. Now, I mentioned that some gels are expensive. There are other options in the market as well. There's a brand called Hit. I tried it, but it did not work as well. I am only sharing my personal experience. There's another brand called Marcos. Marcos also works to some extent. There are herbal versions available as well. However, herbal products mainly prevent cockroaches from coming, but they do not kill them. There's something called a roach repellent, and there's also a product called Metro Cockroach Gel. There's one called Cockroach Dot as well. Cockroach Dot comes in 2 versions. One is herbal, and the other contains fipronil, which I mentioned earlier. If you buy Cockroach Dot with fipronil, it should work well. There is a company called Dow that offers a product called Coxel Advanced, priced at 199 rupees. This product contains the fipronil medicine I mentioned. Another brand called Gaijin also contains fipronil, and this medicine is priced at 400 rupees. I think I have covered most of the gel names available in the market. Usually, I do not share links, but I will share the links with you this time. This is because there are 2 types of products in the market, and you should not waste money by being misled. I am giving the link to fipronil-based products. If you want to buy a lower price, you can try it. If the first option does not work for you, you can also try others. Now, if you're asking what else is there apart from gel, there's something called an insect growth regulator, which is a more advanced technology. If we use an insect growth regulator, all cockroaches will be destroyed. It also works well in preventing cockroaches from coming back. It works slowly, but for up to 3 months, any cockroach that comes into contact with it will die. If your house has a large infestation, you may need some additional chemical treatment. But after this treatment, we can make sure that no further chemical treatment is needed. Now, let me tell you how we can make some homemade sprays. First, take a couple of handfuls of neem leaves and boil them in 1 liter of water for 15 minutes. The essence will come out. Add 5 drops of dishwashing liquid to that essence and put in a spray bottle. Spray it all over the kitchen and bathroom, and cockroaches will not come back. However, this spray only prevents cockroaches. It does not kill them. Among the home remedies, only camphor has some repellent effect. Similarly, take 2 handfuls of basil and some cloves and boil them for 15 to 20 minutes. Then filter the liquid, mix it with a tablespoon of vinegar, and put it in a spray bottle. Spraying this will also help prevent cockroaches. You can also take curry leaves, dry them in the sun for 2 or 3 days, grind them into a powder, and sprinkle the powder in areas where cockroaches hide. Cockroaches will not come to those areas. If you have turmeric, you can grind it into a paste and apply it to the hidden places where cockroaches hide. Even if you cannot see those spots clearly, Applying this yellow paste will prevent cockroaches from coming back. You can also combine all of these together. Take 2 cups of neem leaves, 1 cup of fenugreek leaves, 1 cup of basil, 4 tablespoons of turmeric, 5 cloves, and 3 liters of water. Let it boil for half an hour. Let it cool overnight, and then put it in a spray bottle. This is a good homemade insect repellent. It will repel not only cockroaches, but all insects. Try this homemade spray. But more important than this spray is keeping your house, kitchen, and bathroom clean. There is no compromise on this. Do not leave wet cloths lying around. Even after taking a bath, do not leave the wet cloth as it is in the bathroom. A cockroach will come and drink water from it. Also, seal off all areas where cockroaches can enter the house from the outside. By doing all of this, cockroaches can be controlled completely. For me, I have controlled cockroaches 100%. You too can control cockroaches 100%. If you follow all the techniques and tips that I have told you, first assess the cockroach situation. See how many cockroaches are living in your house and whether they are laying eggs, and choose your technique accordingly. Tell us in the comment section which method you're going to use in your home. I'm also curious to know, if you already have any other techniques, please share them with me. If you found this video useful, tell us in the comment section below. I hope you have learned many new things from this video. So, definitely subscribe to our channel, Dr. Karthikeyan. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and follow. We share useful medical tips and lifestyle tips like this. Let us meet again tomorrow in another video. Until then, goodbye. Dr. Karthikeyan. Thank you.